Hey guys, it's your girl Shalicia coming at you with a new video. This one is a little different than what I usually do on my channel. I don't really haul jewelry, but if you want to see what I got, then stay tuned to the rest of the video. So y'all, you know on Instagram, random little places will like send you a little message like, oh, brand ambassador this, brand ambassador this. Well, your girl got hit up by, I'm honestly hoping I'm saying it right because I think it's like a Dutch brand. But it is called Engelsinn. I'll leave it right here so you can see the pronunciation of it because I probably butchered that. But they have all different types of jewelry on there, and your girl has been really trying to level up on her jewelry game. And I honestly haven't even opened the package yet, so I'm opening it here with y'all. I only ordered a couple of things, so I just wanted to share with them real cute. This is what the one item came in this box. Really nice with their embossed logo on it. And it's this double stacked necklace like this with the V shapes. I thought these would be super cute to like layer up for like your date nights and stuff, because if you're new to my channel, welcome, subscribe, follow me on all my social media, will be all listed down below. Hit the notification bell if you already haven't so you can see new videos from me. But a couple weeks ago I did a lot of shopping at like Fashion Nova and Red Dolls. I've done a couple videos in the past with them, and I haven't done the try-on hauls yet because I couldn't lift my shoulder. I was in a car accident, that's beside the point, but I'm getting better so I can actually range it and do the try-on. But I thought this piece would be super cute to go with the necklace. I'll have the name on the screen right here just because I don't have it pulled up on my phone right now. But it's like a double chain, guys. Right? And it's like super dainty. And it's just delicate. And I'm like loving it. I honestly can't wait to wear it. I'm probably going to put it on like later this week and do some Instagram posts with it. So if you aren't following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram. Because I also do have a discount code for y'all if y'all want to check it out. The shipping is really quick as well. And customer service, I didn't have to use them because I had no issues. It went through. It came quick, like within a week. And it is 403 Beauty 20 to get 20% off your purchase. So I'll have it on the screen right here and as well in the description box for y'all if you want to check some of their items out. This came really nicely bagged like this. These are the stacked bracelets I got because I wanted to accessorize, right? And I just don't wear jewelry all the time. I believe this was like the Evil Eye set that I got. If it's still there, I'll link it down below. So I'll show you the different pieces. So it's like a layering bracelet. So that's this one. Right? This one has like the atlas on, like the globe kind of thing, like the map. This is the infinity sign. There's this one. It's like the hand that like kind of goes with the evil eye kind of vibe. I'm not sure what it's called, so if you know what it's called, leave a comment down below and correct me. And what I liked about this set, it's something that you can wear together and like separate it so you don't have to wear all the pieces together. But they do complement really well. Like this one that I just showed, it's just like little balls on it, like, you know, just to balance out the set. So you can like wear it together, separately. You can wear it multitude of ways, which I thought was really nice. And I don't really ever wear silver jewelry, so I thought that would be a nice one to get. And then the last item I got was this like pendant necklace. you could get different like stones in it, and it has a little moon. But I got the white one because I thought that would go better with all the outfits I'd gotten, right? Because it'd just be super cute to lay on your neck, really delicate, and you could even layer it up with like the other necklace because they're both gold. Hold on, I'll show you what I mean. Like, you know, you could like layer it up however you wanted, so all the pieces could go together, you know. So I'm super excited about these pieces. Like I said, this is not a sponsored video, by the way. I'm not getting paid, but I did want to share the coupon code with you because they have really nice accessories, and I'm super excited to try them out. Like, so excited. So definitely follow me on Instagram because you'll see them in action there, and I'll see y'all in another video real soon. Bye, y'all.